Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove moving watermark from our video using HitPaw. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to your browser and then you have to search for HitPaw website. And after you have found the website, you can visit the website. This one guys, hitpaw.com, and here I'm just going to choose AI video watermark remover since we want to remove a watermark from our video. Okay, and here we need to upload a video. I'm going to select this option and then I'm going to click on choose file. Okay, and then you're going to upload the video you want to remove watermark from. And wait guys, for example, I'm going to select this video. We can click on open. Okay, and just hold down. Now the video is being imported, and then we're going to choose the watermark area. Select the watermark area like this. Okay, and then we're going to click on the preview to see the preview. If the watermark is moving, you can adjust the duration right here guys. You can add the watermark area according to the duration. Okay, now it's done guys, and this is the result. And if you want to export the video, you just need to click on export. Okay, and that's all the way to remove moving watermark using HitPaw. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!